Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa have a beautiful sun hock fish tail with me today. This is almost, the whole fish is coming to 2 kg. I requested the seller to cut it half for me so I can cook in 2 different occasions. This is the tail part, yeah. As you can see from here, the meat, it is super meaty, right? The meat is like this thick. So I have slit it open so that later it can steam better or more efficiently. Then I put a few pieces of ginger on top and also some fine salt. Then I will send this to the steamer. Meanwhile, this is my pre-made bentong ginger scallion sauce. I made it a few days ago. I already used it to steam chicken the other day, ma chao ji. Today I'm going to steam this beautiful sun hock. Preheat your steamer, then we will put in the fish. And when I shall steam it for approximately 12 minutes. This is after 12 minutes. Wow, look at the fish. Can you see how beautiful it is? Whoa. So there's a lot of steamed fish water. That is the source of fishiness. So I'm going to remove the fishy water before I pour the ginger scallion sauce on top of it. Right, I have removed the steamed fish water. That is the fishy source of fishiness. So let's remove the ginger as well. Wow, look at how beautiful the meat is. Next thing, I'm going to pour the ginger scallion sauce made out of, this is made out of bentong ginger. Yeah? Not done yet. I'm going to garnish it with some spring onion. Appa love to eat spring onion. So here's my very simple, oh by the way, if you want to know how I make the ginger scallion sauce, I will try to put down the link for you. Yeah. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.